am back. Okay, so as you can see, my hair is laying pretty flat right now, right? I've let it air dry, and the curls, I'm pretty happy with how the curls have formed here. But this is a little flat for my liking. I always want to get my hair nice and big as I can make it. And so I'm going to give you a hot tip on how to do so. So here we go. This is craft clay. I've already opened it. From Sebastian. This is probably like the only product in my life that is not super ultra clean. I still don't think it's super toxic. I actually need to look into that. Think Dirty is an app that I use to check the toxicity level of my products. Great resource. I have not done that yet with this. However, this is like the only thing that I use probably in my life that is questionable. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stick the top of my fingernail, again, sound effects help, into the tub. And this actually does look like clay, right? This is my all-time favorite pomade. I've been using it since I since I became a hairstylist in 2000. 21 years, crazy. Okay, here we go. I have it on the tip of my fingernail. I scoop it from the back because with that, then you won't get it really underneath your nail if your nails are longer. And so go ahead and smear it onto the palm of your hand. From here, what's gonna end up happening is you're gonna rub your hands together to disperse the product, right? I'm not rubbing it in like lotion. I'm rubbing it simply to get the product in my palms and my fingertips, and away we go. Make sure there aren't any big chunks laying anywhere either. So from here, I'm gonna flip forward like this and take my hands and get a little oomph going at the scalp. Just like that. Just like that. A little scrunch, right? So the beauty of doing this is that now you'll notice I'm using my fingertips, which have a little bit of product in it, not all the product, right? You gotta put in your palm. But as I'm doing this, I can scrunch, but because I have a little product in the palm of my hand, as I then come into the ends, I can scrunch the ends as well, right? Root, ends, right? Flip, and I mean, bada boom, bada bing. Look at the difference there, right? So if you want a little bit more volume, that's what you gotta do, okay? Easy. All right, so I'm actually pretty happy with this look today. I know that might sound shocking, but yeah, sometimes curls are really finicky, right? So some days it's gonna be like, oh yeah, I'm good to go here. And other days I'll wake up and it's even better the second day. So I'm kind of curious actually what my hair is gonna look like tomorrow morning. Maybe I'll take a little photo. Yeah, and show it to you. The beauty of this product too, of craft clay, is that throughout the day, if it's starting to get a little flat at my root, I can flip over and do a little zhuzh, right? Because it has some style memory in there. Yeah. Cool. All right, well again, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. And I hope this video helped you. So, be well.